Okay, hello guys, welcome to my awesome tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make inkling slash octoling vocals in Audacity. Yay! So first, you want to get your audio clip. I have this audio clip of Noop speaking.
Hey guys, guess what? The second take of Tokyo Fan contest is here!
Okay, first thing. This first step is optional, but I think it sounds better if you do it. Go to Effect, then download this plugin called Rovi, and set Format to 6, Pitch to 2, and Effect to 100. Hit Apply.
Hey guys, guess what? The second take of Tokyo Fan contest is here!
It'll do that. Then, go back to Effect, do Change Tempo, set the percentage to -50. Do it, then repeat it, or press Ctrl R so it's slower again. Go to Wawa, set the values to these. Actually, wait, no, set the depth to 50, and then set all the other ones to these. Hit Apply, and then do it again. But this time set the depth to 100 and set the LFO frequency to 3. And hit Apply again. Go to Amplify, make it louder again because it's going to make it quieter. And then it should sound like this. And now you can speed it back up, which is change tempo percent change should be 300. And yeah, there you go. You did it. Hooray.